Affiliate marketing is dead. $7 course is a scam. They only teach you how to promote their course. Not tell you how many times I've seen videos like this, especially now with this new method, MRR. It's a done-for-you digital product that you can buy once and then sell as your own, and that's how they make most of their money, from selling the product, not from learning the skills and applying them. I have nothing against these people, but when I see people talk about the $7 course or affiliate marketing, I cannot just sit back and watch and say nothing. It's been my experience when people say things are a scam or don't work, they either gave up too soon, put a little bit of effort, had high expectations of making a lot of money with little to no effort. People would rather blame the course than blame themselves. It's like when you sign up for the gym, you don't use the machines, you don't do cardio, don't follow a diet plan, you don't show up consistently. Then you say because of the gym, you can lose weight. I've taken the course myself, put a lot of effort into it, and I didn't give up. And I quit my job in 8 months, and I made $100,000 in 12 months. This $7 training course teaches you high income skills, and if you don't take the skills and apply them, you're not gonna see results. If you're not afraid of putting effort into something that will potentially change your life, if you're not gonna give up until you succeed, then you have nothing to be afraid of. If you wanna learn more about how affiliate marketing changed my life and how it can change yours, comment down below and I will send you my free 7-step blueprint to help you get started.